chase a Mew. Let's do it. Mew can Mega Punch him to hell. Mew's a strong little boy.
When's he gonna evolve? I don't get it. Where's the Mewtwo at?
Pidgeotto's gonna go for it this time though. Because I'm sure his flying moves could help. God damn it. Oh, I didn't even mean to use the wing attack. That was a mistake. But it might be a good one. Oh, I didn't do much at all. Get out of here! No! Why is he attacking first? At least I'm not poisoned. Fly into his face. Do it again! No! Stop hurting my Pidgeotto! He's a good boy. He's a good, lovely boy. Yes! The rap missed. Everyone's... Yay! I got him! Go Pidgeotto! Come on, boy! Oh, come on! They both got to evolve. So last episode, we actually caught like a hell of a lot of Pokemon, and it was it's a fun episode. I thought that was a super potion. 4 heals, Jesus, so dumb. Well, 4 heal. Okay, yeah, that only does 50. That'll do for now. See how we get on. Yeah, does 4 heal get rid of confusion? What's wrong with my swimming? Well, you're not moving anywhere, so you're just floating, really. What are you wearing? Like, how are you wearing all that in the sea? What's wrong with you? Then again, how am I? Then again, I'm on a Pokemon, so maybe he's on a Pokemon. But he said he was swimming, so there you go. That's gonna hurt. No, man. Come on, why'd you do that? God damn. Tentacle, why you gotta be this way? Ugh. Makes me angry. No, stop with the water gun. No, okay, get out of here. Now just don't miss. If you miss, you're a jerk, Pidgeotto. Thank you. Okay, at least Pidgeotto gets all the experience for that. Yeah, boy! Level 36. Right, we won't... Oh wait, there's no one to change to. We stay as Pidgeotto, and then we change. Let's change to Mew. Let's do it. Mew can Mega Punch him to hell. Mew's a strong little boy.
When's he gonna evolve? I don't get it. Where's the Mewtwo at?
I was joking if you couldn't tell. Great, back to this. Back to this fun old time. Mega Punch him all the way to Funland. I gotta block that out. Jeez. Doo-doo. Pound his ass into the ground. He will die now, die. I'm singing terrible songs. Use Tentacruel. No, I can't be bothered. There's no point. Mega Punch. How did you miss? You fool. Now, how are you missing? What's wrong with you? It's a giant tentacle monster. No! No, no, no. This is so infuriating. Just kill him. Kill him already. Get him. Like that one little tentacle that's like pointing at me. It's like, listen here, buddy. I'm gonna mess you up. I'm gonna get you good. And I'm gonna give less of a damn about it while I'm doing it. He's dead now. I'm dead now. That's what he says as he dies. Ugh. Alright, done. Is he gonna evolve? Is he gonna evolve? Yeah, boy! I told you we gonna evolve him. Yes, finally, I got a Pidgeot. Go get that seed. Peck, peck, peck. Pidgeot does look kind of weird in this. It's alright. Yay, I got a Pidgeot, baby! Look at him. Let's look at him. Yay, cool. We evolved a Pokemon. That's been a while since we did that as well. And let's revive. This man, this strong, handsome man, is revitalized. Oh, I like that. And we're gonna super potion him. Oh, not full health. That does nothing at all. What a useless item. Well, for us it's useless. Alright, where are we going? Just keep going down. Going down, down, down. We're going to get to the island before I need to fight again. Oh no, look, there's a dude here. Oh, it's another fisherman. This one will be riveting. So, what's his name? I can't even remember his name now. It's gone out of my mind. The guy who's on Cinnabar Island. I don't remember. But anyway, when we fight him, I think he's got fire Pokemon, right? So, clamps! He used the clamps! So, as long as Blastoise is there, nothing can stop us. We got him. No, my Rhyhorn's a big boy. Here we go, Cloyster. Take a stomp to the face. Ow. What? Why is this super effective? Oh my god, he just friggin' wrecked my Rhyhorn. What an asshole. What a jerk. Razor leaf him the hell out of here. I've had enough. Okay. When I said this was going to be a riveting fight, it was a pretty riveting fight. The guy got me good. I'm not going to bother, like... There's no point in reviving him, is there? I don't know how. I don't mean it. Ooh. Let's try and just go down and see. Boo 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 doo doo doo. And we come back up when we're fully healed. We're here. We're here. Yay! We made it! Finally! Wait, what? Oh, that's weird. Here's counts as the... Oh, I guess, yeah, it must count as the route because there's water there, but... Town. That's quite funny. Gym! Who's in it? Blaine! Okay, no, I would have never guessed... Yeah, hot-headed. That's it. I would have never guessed that. It's the lab! We can finally get our Kabuto! What did he say? Something about a burned out building? Scientist conducts experiments in the burned out building. Wow. Cinnabar Jim Blaine is an odd man who has lived here for decades. He is very odd. Let's do the missing glitch. Let's do it. No, I'm not gonna do it. Now we're gonna heal. And we could go back up and fight those trainers. I think that's a good plan. Because I want to evolve my Rhyhorn into a big, strong Rhydon. Oh, man. So I got yesterday, because I've got VR, as you probably know. You saw the Skyrim VR video, hopefully, which was quite funny. I'd recommend it. It's a lot of fun.
The torture room. God,
I gotta stop. I also bought Star Trek Bridge Crew yesterday. Have I got the... I've got it in my... Yeah, Star Trek Bridge Crew. It was like 20 quid. So, yeah, I haven't got it. It's very, very good. I love it. It's really fun. Do you know the most surreal part is I was playing with the Move controllers at one point, and like stretching out your arm and then seeing the hand in the game, it's stretched in front of you. Like, it's so surreal. It's like seeing that and like the connection between your real arm and the virtual arm is like, oh my god, this is cool. I liked it. All these TMs I never used. No, not Moonstone. I got 4 Moonstones. Yeah, Dome Fossil. Baby. So, this is as far as I've got to come in the game. Because I've got to get here with the Helix Fossil as well. So I've got to play through on either Pokemon Yellow or Blue. Probably going to be Blue. To all this way. To get that. I've got to even play far enough to get 2 more Eevees. So I've got to get to Celadon. So... yeah. I don't actually know where I'm going. It's not in here. I think it's the far end room. I think it's this one. Yeah, this looks right. Hello. I'm looking for Ponyta. Trade one for a seal? No, because I'd give you my seal and get Ponyta, but I am important doctor. I study here rare Pokemon fossils. Have you a fossil for me? He talks very strange. Dome Fossil! Oh, that is Dome Fossil. He does talk really weird. It is Fossil of Kabuto, a Pokemon that is already extinct. My resurrection machine will make that Pokemon live again! Yes! So, you hurry and give me that! Loser handed over Dome Fossil. I take a little time. You go for a walk a little while. Is there a reason he's talking like that? It's kind of strange. It's like he's a baby.